Dear students, today we will discuss about the second collivative property, elevation in boiling point. First we will learn what is boiling point, then elevation in boiling point. So boiling point, the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. It is the temperature, boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to the 1 atmospheric pressure. By adding a non-volatile solute B in pure solvent A, the vapor pressure of the solution decreases, and this decrease in vapor pressure causes the increase in boiling point of the solution, and it is known as the elevation in boiling point, and it is denoted by delta T. And this concept can be learned by this graph. This graph is for pure solvent, here vapor pressure, here temperature. So for pure solvent at particular time, particular temperature T1, the vapor pressure is P2, and on increasing temperature at temperature T2, it becomes equal to 1 atmosphere. So T2 is the boiling point of the pure liquid. On adding a non-volatile solute to this pure solvent, the vapor pressure of the solution decreases from P2 to P1, and this graph will be lower side than first graph. So at temperature T1, its vapor pressure is P1. On increasing the temperature at temperature T3, its vapor pressure becomes equal to the 1 atmospheric pressure. So T3 is the boiling point of the solution. So delta TB, elevation in boiling point will be delta TB equal to T3 minus T2. The value of delta TB is directly proportional to the molarity of the solution. So we will write here delta TB is proportional to M, or delta TB is equal to Kb into M. Here Kb is the molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. If M is equal to 1, then delta TB is equal to Kb. So the elevation in boiling point of a 1 molar solution will be known as the molar elevation constant. And by replacing the value of M in this equation 1, we have delta TB is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. This is the expression, this is the formula for calculation of elevation in boiling point of a solution. We can also calculate the molecular mass of the solute from this reaction, from this expression.